Hi guys, so the wait is over. I've received my Revive Move Plus. I'm so excited to unbox this beauty. Packaging, awesome, looks really good. Yeah, I've been waiting for this for a while. Really excited to see, there's been a lot of talk about this product. I'm really finally glad to get the box and see what's inside. Just show you, this is how it arrived this morning. Hopefully I can get straight into it. Nice quick start guide on the top. Oh, that's really nice. A personalised thank you message. And a user manual. Pop into the beautiful travel case. Loving the branding. Really nice, feels really good, good quality. Zip closed travel case. It'll be coming everywhere with me. Let's just have a little peek inside. Zip it. Wow, and there she is. There she is in all her glory. The Revive Move Plus. All sat there on the charging station. Just have a look in the zip. There we've got the strap. And that, I'm guessing, is a charging lead. All in a nice little zipped up compartment there. Zip that back up. Just feels really good. Nice close up. Revive. And there it is. I will be taking this home tonight, charging it up and strapping it onto my knee, and looking forward to seeing the differences. We'll send another video after my first use and let you know how I got on. But all in all, really impressed. Impressed with the packaging, impressed with the case. User manual, thank you message. Really excited to use this. Thanks guys, can't wait, and I will keep you updated on progress and hopefully better quality tennis and a better knee. Thanks very much, bye.